Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Now, all of you open page number 44 of your SB book, children, and write today's date. Let us start with number families. A new concept, that is number families, and let us know the relationship between addition and subtraction. Here in this, addition and subtraction are quite opposite to each other. Here we are getting two addition and two subtraction facts, children. Whenever you are writing the subtraction fact, remember that you have to start always with the big number. So here in this page, the first heading we have is look at the dominoes and write down the two addition and two subtraction facts. Now let us start with the first question. Here they have given the balls. Are you seeing these balls, children? First we have to count these balls and write here respectively. See here first 9 balls. Here 9 balls are there. So they have written 9. And here in this box they have 7. So we have written here 7. So in this first two blue boxes we are writing the addition facts. 9 plus 7 equal to 16. And in the second box, interchange these positions. 7 goes to 9th place and 9 comes to 7th place. So 7 plus 9 equal to 16. These are the two addition facts we are going to write in the blue box. Now let us start the subtraction facts. First write down the sum. What is the sum you get here? The same sum number you have to write down here, that is 16. 16 minus 9 equal to 7. These only three numbers we have to use. Don't use any other numbers. What are the numbers we have counted and written? Only these numbers we have to use, children. 16 minus 9 equal to 7. Again 16 minus 7 comes to 9th place and 9 goes to 7th place. So 16 minus 7 equal to 9. In this way we get two addition and two subtraction facts. Now let us move on to the next question, children. First count how many balls are there in this first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down 6 here. Plus, since we are writing the addition fact, write down plus. And in the second box there are 9 balls. Write down 9. 6 plus 9 equal to 15. Again in the second box here, interchange the position, undo the positions. 9 comes to 6. Now let us write down the subtraction facts, children. In subtraction always the first number should be big number. Write down 15 minus 6 equal to 9 and again undo their positions. 15 minus 9 equal to 6. So here we got two addition facts and two subtraction facts. Now let's move on to the third question. First here we have 4 balls. Write down 4 plus 9 equal to how much? 9 plus 4 plus 9, it is 13. So here interchange their positions or undo their positions. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. Here in subtraction facts write 13 first. Minus 4 equals to 9. Again write 13 and undo their positions. Minus 9 equal to 4. In this way we get two addition and two subtraction facts, children. Now let's move on to the last question. Here first we have 3 balls. Write down 3 plus 9 equal to 12. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Again undo their positions. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. Next we have written two addition facts. Now let us write down two subtraction facts. In subtraction facts first write down the big number, that is sum. Minus 3 equal to 9 and 12 minus 9 equal to 3. In this way we have written. Now all of you open page number 45, children. Write today's date. Now let's start with the heading subtract the following. Subtract the following. Here we have the heading subtract the following, that is 26 minus 8. 26 minus 8. Here in this always we start from the ones place, children, whether it is addition or subtraction. From 6 ones we cannot minus 8 ones because 6 is smaller than 8. So we have to borrow 110 from the tens place, strike out 2, from 2 110 goes, 110 is left, so 1 you write above 2 and 1 you write below besides 6. So 6 becomes 16. From 16 you can minus 8 now. Now start after 8. After 8 and stop at 16. See, after 8 you have to start and stop at 16. So after 8, now close all your fingers. When you are counting, open your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers did you open, children? It is 8. Write down 8. 8 in ones place and write 1 as it is in the tens place. Now let's move on to the second question, that is 13 minus 5. From 3 ones we cannot minus 5 ones. So we have to borrow from the tens place. We have to borrow 110 from the tens place. So from 110 1 goes, we get 0 and write 1 in the ones place. We get 13. So 13 minus 5. Now close all your fingers. Open after 5. After 5, start counting after 5 and stop at 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers did you open, children? It is 8. Write down 8 in the ones place and 0 in the tens place. Remember that 0 doesn't have any value before a number. Before a number, that 0 doesn't have any value. Now let's move on to the third question, that is 52 minus 5. 52 minus 5. From 2 we cannot minus 5 because 2 is small number, 5 is big number. From small number we cannot minus a big number. Here we have to borrow 110 from the tens place. From 5 tens, 110 goes, we get 4 tens and 1 we have to write in ones place, that is we get 12. Now count after 5 and stop at 12. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers did you open, children? It is 7. Write down 7 in the ones place and write 4 as it is in the tens place. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 47 minus 9. From 7 we cannot minus 9 because 7 is small number, 9 is big number. We have to borrow from the tens place, 110. From 4 tens, 110 goes, we get 3 tens here and 1 you write down in the ones place. Now we can minus 17 minus 9. Start counting after 9 and stop at 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers did you open, children? It is 8. Write down 8 in ones place and 3 in the tens place. Is that clear to you? Now the remaining 2 sums you try it, children. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.